What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up some new 2022 Hot Wheels. These are two different colors of the 71 Lamborghini Miura SV. We have an orange and metallic blue from Hot Wheels Exotics 2022, number 5 out of 10, and 202 of 250 for 2022. These are best for track. Hey, look at this. The first one is best for track. The second one says track stars. So a little bit of variation on the packaging there. And so this one came out in the L case. It says M case. This was re-released, but this was the L case Super Treasure Hunt. And my friend over at Timmy's 10 Again Toys actually found the Super Treasure Hunt. You can go watch his video. I'll put the link up here or in the comment section down below. But check this out. This is a really cool Lamborghini here. And exotic supercars, always ready to race. That's what the Hot Wheels Exotic series is. Then this one, they don't usually recolor cars that were involved in Super Treasure Hunts. But here we go. This one's in blue. Of course, there is no blue Super Treasure Hunt. I feel like that one would look a lot better. But yeah, this is the first release. I wonder when this casting came out. But yeah, let's get this open. Very easy open since there wasn't any glue on that, really. And there you go. Here's a quick look at it. This looks great out of the package. And then blue, this came from like Q case, I think. Yeah, 2022 Q case this came out in. Really cool Lamborghinis. Let's take a nice look at the orange one. Look at that right there. Gray interior. And then these are muscle car 5-spokes. MC5s, that's what the wheels are called. And then we have a gray interior. Look at that. The gray comes along the sides there. And then it reveals this orange plastic base. You can see the 2017 Mattel. So that's when this casting came out. And this is the Lamborghini Miura SV P400 SV. That's actually, I think that's the full name of the car. But liking the painted details on this. Nice classic Lamborghini. And there's the front end once again. Black accents on that. There you go. Nice look at it. Almost kind of looks like a Corvette from one angle. And then metallic blue. This is metallic. And blue plastic base. Spin the wheels on these. Spin well. Yep, they spin well. Same deal on this one. Beautiful metallic blue. I think I like the blue one better. There is the back there, the painted decals, and or tail lights rather. And then what does that say? I know there's something on the door panel there. Can't quite see it. Might be Firestone. No, it can't be Firestone. There you go. There, painted headlights, and then a nice window on the back there. Which one was your favorite? Please let me know down in the comment section below. These are such cool models. Thank you guys for watching. This is Sam's Diecast Showroom, signing out.